So we received an email earlier, this one. So let's copy the file name, highlight it, Control C, click on the non-QV tracker. Open the non-QV tracker. Now let's look for that file that you're assigned to work on. So how do we do that? Okay, let's wait for the tracker to be totally active or accessible. Okay, so what we do now is press Ctrl F. This menu will appear. Okay, so this is the search menu. Press Ctrl V to paste the name of the file and click Find. Okay, that's it. So press Done. So if you notice, you're at row 110. So this is your file assignment. So it states in the email that you are going to transcribe from the 0-minute mark up to the 39-minute mark, right? So take note of that. Now, the next thing to do is, of course, go to column H, this one, and click on the audio. So do some random checks for the first 39 minutes. Okay? Now, if you decided to take this file, then email immediately to production tracking. Tell them you're going to work on it. After that, download the file. Just click it here. Automatically will download here. Okay? For now, let's just cancel it. So while you're downloading the file, go back to the non-QV production tracker. Okay? Next, go to column I and read the job sheet or the project notes. So copy this one, Control C, go to a new tab, press Control V, press Enter. And this is the job sheet for that. So take note, this has special instructions as noted here. So read it and make sure this is followed. Okay, if you have problems understanding the instructions, always communicate with production tracking. That is really important. So if you scroll down further, it will state here that the file should be transcribed using the cleanup verbatim format. Okay, make sure, although you have this instruction here, make sure it coincides with what the client requires here from her or his special instructions. Okay. Now, after you're done with the job sheet, go back to the non-QV production tracker. Try to scroll down further to verify. So this is a focus group file based on column J. Total of 39 audio minutes, so you may want to record that. And the file type is a verbatim file type, just like in the job sheet. And of course, if this was truly assigned to you, then you'll be seeing your name here. That's it. Now, after you're done with that, after you're verifying it, you go to column B, the file name column. Remember, you are going to work on part 1. Now it's time to go to the template for this file. So click on this row, click on the link, and take note, another tab will open, and this tab will contain the template for your file. Okay, now, since you are working on part 1, so make sure that you are going to type directly on part 1. So you are going to type first your name here. So That's it. And as soon as you downloaded the audio, finished downloaded the audio and uploaded it to Express Scribe, then you may start typing it. If, of course, if you're assigned to part 2, then you should start typing on part 2. Okay, so this is what I meant earlier, that there may be that this template will contain all the different parts for this file. So make sure that you are transcribing on the right part. There will always be a possibility. In fact, it's always a reality that there might be more than 2 of you or 3 of you working on the same template. So that's why you have to make sure that you are working on the right part. So part 2 here may be assigned to another contractor, and part 3 may be assigned to another contractor. Take note of that. Okay. Now, since we're here on the template, let's try to identify some of the features here.